All right, I'm over here at the house today. I just worked the past few days and James got a lot done, so I'm gonna show you guys that stuff now. All right, so the first thing he got done is the flooring on the balcony, or the catwalk, whatever you wanna call it. So he got the flooring in. He chopped off all the tops to the newel posts so that they're all even. We still have to put the caps on them, but he got those done. Eli. Boys are running around and having fun. Oh, he put a deer head up here, and he put a deer head up over there, because that was very necessary. But then he also got these newel posts done and those newel posts done. He also got these newel posts finished as well on the steps, and started cutting the boards for the bottom bracing of our X bracing. And then he also started putting in over here, and he put that piece of trim there that you see. And he put all the trim up over here as well. I really like it. And there's the deer head. So kitchen is done being swept and mopped. Looks good. Got my little helper over there. Good job, Elias. Now I'm gonna move over into here. This is actually already swept, but I just need to mop. Look at all that dust. Okay, making progress. It's looking pretty good. James just got home from work and he got all of our metal rods for the railing. Where'd you get these from? There goes Eli. Where did you get these from?
I got them from Duty Steel.
Look at all these cabinets coming in. Look at these. I love these deep drawers. They're really deep, so I can put pots and pans and stuff in them. And soft close drawers. There it is. All of our cabinets and crown molding and shelving and everything. What do you think, babe?
I like them. I'm just stressed. I got too much work to do now.
You'll be fine. I love our cabinets. They look so good. They're cherry cabinets, and as much as I don't like the fact that cherry can sometimes look red, I like that cherry wood can be finished so smoothly and perfectly, which is why we went with cherry cabinets. And I'm really glad that they did not turn out looking really red. They turned out looking brown like I wanted them to. I really like them. Good morning. It is Friday morning. We are all here off work today, getting a lot of work done in the house. This is my first video with my haircut. I chopped all my hair off and donated it. And he put in my pantry doors. I love those. We can finally have the boys up here because we're not worried about them falling off. So this is their first time being upstairs. But this is the view from here. Okay, so now I'm up here in the bathrooms getting ready to paint the ceilings for the first time. We primed them and then we painted them with ceiling paint. But in the bathroom, we did not paint them with mildew-resistant ceiling paint. And I've heard mixed reviews on this, but I don't want to have to deal with it if it's going to be a problem later on from all the moisture in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and repaint them all with a mildew-resistant paint. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, I just got the first coat of paint done in the ceiling in the boys' bathroom up on the second floor, and that is a neck breaker. But anyway, that's done. While I was doing that, James was working down here on the railing, so I'll show you that. He just put in these wood pieces at the bottom on all three of those. And now he's working on putting them in up on the second floor. Hi, Eli. Do you? So first, he screws these angled holes in, and then he puts the actual screw in that holds it in place. What do you call those angled holes?
I think they're called screw pockets.
Perfect. Is it level?
Yep.
That looks great. So he took that out to fix something, so now we're gonna watch how he puts it back in. That's it. just got the first coat on our master bath down here in the shower and then all this area out here. So now I'm gonna go back up to the second floor bathroom and put the second coat on that one. Then I'll come back down here and put the second coat down here. All right, so James is done. He got all 3 of those wood pieces in for the bottom of the railing. And then he just added this transition strip here from the flooring that he's gonna glue down now. We still gotta stain them and paint them, but looks really nice. We are putting in some doors right now. James is now putting in the laundry room door, and it's a little bit snug.
It's not snug at all, that's the problem.
Oh, it's not snug at all?
It's snug on the top, but not on the side. See how wide that is?
Oh, I see.
It's huge. Dang. We got to rip this board down into 4 1/4 pieces because our doorways are a little bit wider than they should be. So this should fill the gap on either side of them, and then we should be able to shim it and actually put the door in appropriately.
I don't think I've ever seen him talk that fast.
All right, so I'm gonna need your help holding the board up.
All right.
This is wide, too wide.
The door is in. Looks great. I like it, babe. James is putting in the last banister railing. All right, I just started painting the boys' bathroom, and this is the color. It looks really dark in the video, but it's actually a very, very light gray. On finishing the flooring right here in this hallway and that small closet there up on the second floor.
Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy, what are you doing?
Yeah. Recording you. That's going to be a really weird cut. Got all this flooring done and put him back here, and I just finished the second coat in this bathroom. What I did not talk about the other day because we were so upset that I didn't even mention it is our cabinet order was wrong. All these cabinets behind me that you see here, everything that's base level that sits on the ground is correct, but everything that goes up on the wall is incorrect. They were made for 8-foot ceilings and we have 9-foot ceilings. So we're meeting with the cabinet makers tomorrow and figuring out what we have to do to fix this, but it's been a very frustrating past few days. Good morning, another day eating breakfast in the camper. Hi boys. Today we're having omelets and cinnamon rolls, and now we're heading over to the house to work on it. The tile that we picked out for the boys' room is this right here. It's just like a dark gray kind of textured tile. They just got all the tile down and finished in the boys' bathroom. Good morning. It's another day over here working on the house. Once again, I'm a little bit sick, but that's whatever. Anyway, I worked the past few days at the hospital, and James was off work, so he got a lot of stuff done here at the house, pretty much by himself, I think. I don't think he had any help, but I'll show you guys a lot of the stuff that he got done. It looks really, really good. So this is one of the first things that he got done. These 3 cabinets here were actually the correct size. So he got these put in this weekend. So there's that. And over there is where the fridge goes. So that area is finished. This is where the hood is gonna go, and this is where our stovetop cooktop goes. I really like that. But all the cabinets that go over here along these walls were not the right height. So those are the ones that the Amish have to remake for us, which they're remaking for free. But since we do have these cabinets in, we can have the people come out to measure for the granite countertops. So like this, and that's where the dishwasher's gonna go. All right, James got some doors in this weekend. So there is the door into the half bath. He got some more doors in over here, I believe. Oh goodness, I'm stepping on things, breaking things. Here are a lot more doors he has to put in. They're kind of time consuming to put in, honestly. But there's all more doors. We got some deer heads up there, of course. That couldn't wait till the house was done. There's the basement door. I like that. And I got the laundry room painted the other day. It was supposed to be like a green gray, but honestly it looks just kind of gray. Whatever. So here's the laundry room. And then I need to finish today painting the bedroom in here. So I've only got like the first coat on all this stuff done, so I gotta get up there done. And all that over there, and this entire wall behind me. James also got our chandelier in yesterday for the eat-in sitting area. I really like it. So we've got our pendant lights here, and then our chandelier there. I am trying really hard to get this house cleaned up. And just every time I clean it up, it gets messy again because it's a construction site. But look at this. Oh. Golly. Got the room cleaned up. Just gotta sweep up all that pile of stuff there with the shop vac. Look at this. James got the tile grouted yesterday. Looks great. And he got the light in the boys' bathroom.
I'm cutting it like my daddy cuts.
Oh my gosh. All right, so tonight we have started tiling in the boys' bathroom and their shower. So first, we took this tape stuff and we wrapped it on all the joints that you see there. So I put all that on, and now James is putting in, what is this, thin sit?
Yep.
Which is pretty much just mortar. And we have to put it on all the creases and all the corners. And then we'll start putting the tile on tomorrow. Good morning. So I'm upstairs on the 2nd floor today painting the boys' vanity. You can see it behind me here. It's pretty plain Jane vanity. Nothing really exciting about it, but I'm gonna paint it a charcoal gray color. First coat done. It definitely needs a second coat, but I really like the color. All right, next task is this bucket here. This bucket, by the way, even though it looks small, it's $50, and it's some type of waterproofing putty that I gotta put on all the seams and joints in the boys' showers that we can put the tile on it this weekend, so I'm gonna do that next. All right, now I'm outside because we bought these sconces for the lights to go next to our bed, but they were brown. And I bought them though because they were on clearance and I really liked them. So now I'm spray painting them black because I want them to be black. So we're in here in the bathroom. I put 2 coats on the vanity, and now James is putting it in.
Where's that knife?
We've got to cut out the back because obviously the pipes have to go in there for the plumbing. Perfect. Holes drilled.
You bring this out again?